Think your favorite foods are totally harmless? Think again. That bag of chips, the creamy pasta, or even that so-called healthy granola bar might be doing more harm than good. While they may taste amazing, they could be quietly affecting your body in ways you don't even realize. What you eat doesn't just affect your waistline, it shapes your gut health, the foundation of your overall well-being. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that influence everything from digestion to mood, immunity, and even brain function. When that balance is thrown off, the effects ripple through your entire body. Some everyday foods can sabotage that delicate balance, leading to issues you wouldn't expect, like fatigue, bloating, skin problems, or even anxiety. And the worst part? These foods are often marketed as convenient or even healthy. Today, we're exposing 7 sneaky gut disruptors hiding in plain sight, and what you can do about them. From additives to hidden sugars, we'll break down how they impact your gut and offer simple swaps to protect your health. Let's dive in. First up, artificial sweeteners. Found in diet sodas and sugar-free snacks, they may seem smart, but they can disrupt your gut bacteria. Sweeteners like sucralose and saccharin reduce beneficial microbes, leading to bloating, gas, and more. So next time you reach for that guilt-free treat, think twice. Fried foods. Delicious, but dangerous for your gut. High-heat cooking creates compounds that inflame your gut lining and disrupt your microbiome. That imbalance can lead to bloating, IBS, and other digestive issues. Enjoy them occasionally, but don't make fried food a habit. Red meat isn't evil, but too much of it can be tough on your gut. It digests slowly and can increase bacteria linked to inflammation. Stick to lean cuts, eat it in moderation, and balance it with fiber-rich foods. It's all about keeping your gut in harmony. Dairy is packed with nutrients, but for many, it's also a source of discomfort. That's because of lactose, a sugar some adults can't properly digest. Symptoms like bloating and cramps could mean lactose intolerance. Luckily, there are plenty of lactose-free options to keep your gut happy. Processed foods, they're quick, convenient, and everywhere. But behind the flashy packaging and addictive flavors lies a serious problem for your gut health. These foods are often packed with artificial preservatives, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Worse, they're stripped of the natural fiber your gut bacteria thrive on. Without enough fiber, your gut microbiome loses its diversity. The good bacteria weaken while harmful microbes multiply, tipping the balance in the wrong direction. This imbalance can lead to chronic inflammation, bloating, poor digestion, and even increase your risk for conditions like obesity, diabetes, and depression. The solution? Choose whole, unprocessed foods rich in fiber and nutrients. Your gut will thank you, and so will your overall health. Alcohol doesn't just hit your liver, it hits your gut too. It irritates your digestive tract and can damage the gut lining. That leads to inflammation and leaky gut, where toxins enter your bloodstream. The fix? Drink in moderation. Your gut will thank you. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, is perfectly harmless for most people. It gives bread its chewy texture and helps baked goods hold their shape. But for some, it's a different story. For those with celiac disease or non-celiac gluten sensitivity, gluten can trigger an immune response that damages the small intestine, leading to inflammation and long-term health issues. Symptoms can include bloating, abdominal pain, fatigue, and even nutrient deficiencies due to poor absorption in the gut. If you suspect gluten might be affecting your health, don't jump to conclusions. It's important to consult a healthcare professional for proper testing and diagnosis. Self-diagnosing can lead to unnecessary dietary restrictions or missed conditions. Get the facts, get tested, and make informed choices for your health. Your gut affects everything, from mood to immunity. Eat smart, avoid gut disruptors, and nourish your microbiome. If this helped, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Let's build a healthier world, one gut at a time.